Okay, Ashlyn, open the present. You want to see?
Ashlyn, look under the blanket.
Look.
Look at the blanket.
What's underneath?
What do you think is under there?
Present?
Do you want to open it up? What's in there? Open it up. What do you see?
Open it. What is it? It's your present. Pull it off. Keep looking.
Tinker, pull the blanket. Pull the blanket.
Pull it. Why are you being shy? Where are you going?
What's under there?
What is it?
Go see what it is.
Oh, Mommy's gonna pull it. What is
Whoa!
it? Merry Christmas!
Is it a Tinkerbell chair?
Oh, look. It's your very own chair.
Ashlyn, look at Daddy.
Look.
Do you like it?
It's just your size. Look, Ashlyn.
Ashlyn.
Do you like it? Look.
Whoa.
Do you love it?
Cheese.
Do you want Tinkerbell? Yeah, she can sit in the chair with you. Cheese, look at Daddy. He's the one that says cheese.
Cheese, Mommy.
Say cheese.
Look.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look.
Look at Daddy. Look.
Oh, how cool is that?
It's your own chair. Is it a rock? Look. Oh, rocking chair. Look at that. You're like a big girl. Big girl. Can I give her one more P-R-E-S-C-N-T from you?